How are you doing? How are you doing? The day was a bit slow, you know, so I'm bored, man. I'm just sitting with my little niggas here. Sitting with my little niggas. My little niggas.
FOMC, kill them on their own game. I don't use indicators, kill them the fundamental way. FPK, my nigga, these brokers are shaking, my nigga. The feelings of scared, we're killing him dead. Forex broker killer, now I'm sitting on 100,000. Forex broker killer, now I'm sitting on 100,000. Forex broker killer.
I'm making money, AUD is waiting for me. CAD got messy on me. Blue my corner, fuck it, homie. Making money mandatory. Risk your money to make more. Risk, nigga, furthermore. Risk your money like there's no tomorrow. They gon' say we faking, man. That's the only way.
So look at this. I told you. Downloading makes sense, mfana. The rings dollar mungwane. Senza. This week, what are we about to make? I don't know, my man. It's out of hands, bozo. Forex is life, guys. Trade Forex and you will enjoy life. Trade. Look at this. The money bag.
Hello? Hey, hater, how you doing? I can't hear you. Your line is back. Try going to the bank. Oh, you're using Capitec, so I still can't hear you. The poor guy is too broke. Let me call him on a different phone. Hello? Yes, hater. Now I can hear you. You were saying what? Forex is a scam. That's very nice. That's very nice.
Employee's life, guys, versus the life of a trader, guys. Shame the employee. Look around to the cutting and Niki. Let's let 10 rand, actually. 7 rand lunch. And then more crare na the trader, guys. The trader, guys. The trader. Like we set a goal, guys. For this box must be full. Before what? I don't know. This is life of a trader, guys. Life of a trader.
Yeah, bad. It's a bad language. Yeah, bad. Yeah, bad. Yeah, we are starting to say, man.
Yo, Wealth Kings family. What's for lunch? What are we having for lunch?
Like, buffet, sidlan, eh? Sidlan. Like,
I'm even afraid to carry it like cash, guys. Yeah, it's just a couple of grands. Just for the four. What do you say? Phone calling ya? Yeah, my jing. Yeah.
my cousin just put our money together, man, and we really got our cash back, man. I really didn't think it was going to be legit, but we really got our cash back, man. Show me your cash, man. I don't care what anyone says, man. This money shit is real. This money flipping business, hey, it's real, man, and I'm rocking with it till it's over with. Thank you, my man. Smith, man, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I was a little skeptical, but my 300 definitely got me $3,000. As you can see, all blue, blue hundreds. It's new money too. It's real. But Lee Smith, man, I definitely like to refer my people to you. And I appreciate it.